Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Warm good morning to everyone. Hope you all are well. Our vacation is coming very soon, so be happy. But you have one surprise. Let's when the vacation will start. Inshallah, we will inform you. Our management, our principal, and maybe I inform you. Okay. So today is the Sunday. We started lesson 4. What is our lesson 4? Using a computer. I sent last week links, videos. So I hope you understand. If you are reading, if you are watching, it's so easy to me explanation. That's why I am pushing you to please read and please read. Okay, if reading is good, you are able to understand the words, then you will get the time for the search meaning. That's why I'm not English teacher, but I'm pushing you for reading. Reading is very good habit. Okay, that's why I am pushing to you to read the chapter. So learning object is there. After reading this chapter, you will be able to start and shut down the computer, identify the desktop screen. Okay, so now I will start. You must learn the right way of switch on and off a computer. Sometimes we have small children at the home, directly they are switch off the button. So it's so danger for the laptop or computer. Starting a computer. To start the computer, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Switch on the main power switch. See, whenever you start something, so you don't go to the directly. First switch off the button, then put the plug wire, then you switch on the button. Directly switch on the button and put the plug. It's so danger to anything. Okay, even charger also, first you switch off button, then you put the charger, then on the button. Okay dear, this is the for your extra knowledge I am telling. If you're directly putting charger, maybe the circuit small coming, you can't able to see inside the fire, so maybe it will be damage. So check the switch buttons, it is off or on. If on, you switch off, then you whatever you want plug, then switch on. Okay, so second step, switch on the UPS. Third step, switch on the CPU. UPS we are all using in our countries, like I am from India, so whenever my system is there, I use UPS because it is a storing like battery. Fourth step, switch on the monitor. Okay, then see, this is the screen, the follow screen appear whenever you start your computer, that this screen. Here many icons like dustbin and others, whatever your saved document you can see easily. Then this is the shutdown button, start button, and taskbar, desktop. This screen is called desktop. You can see small pictures on it. These are called icons. There is a button on the bottom left corner called start button. The thin bar at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. See here the taskbar. Here we just before just now I stopped the learning process for switch on the computer. Now same process but little bit opposite. Check. Similar, whatever you did, just you forward that time, then you will come the backward. Okay, see, shutting down a computer. After you finish done your work, shut down the computer by following the steps given below. Click the start button icons on the bottom left corner of the taskbar. The start menu appears. See, then second, click the shutdown button. The lower right corner of the menu, the window show shutting down message on the screen. Then third is switch off monitor, then switch off the UPS and switch off the main power. Last one is you should also put chest cover on the computer. This is switch on or switch off. Step by step some manners is there, so you can follow it directly. Don't switch off the button and don't switch on the, you want power, you are not using the switch on the power button and directly you start monitor CPU, it not work. So instructions are there, so just follow it. Okay dear all, here must note, do not shut down the computer by disconnecting wire directly or switching off the UPS. This may damage the computer. It quit. Always sit straight on chair in the front of computer system. Do not eat or drink in the computer room or lab, and when at home you are sitting, see this position is the correct sitting, nothing is there here, this position is wrong, the chair also wrong, and if you are putting here eating things liquid, maybe it will come later on problem. So now here, now you know, note down this, now you know in the copy. You must follow the correct step whenever start or shutting down your system. So I hope you enjoy my class. It's so easy. 99 my students, I know they are 100% intelligent. They know how to switch on the computer and switch off the computer. I know you are mashallah very good students. Okay dear, so thank you so much, enjoy, and please again I am requesting to you, please and please read this chapter and try to understand each and every word. The next class inshallah I will give to you new words and question answers full exercise. So till you please complete, possible complete the now you know and key terms. Okay, key terms, if possible please complete. I am sending by snap your key terms. Okay, thank you so much. Remember in your prayers. Thank you. Bye.